So, okay, now it's time to head to the arena to the opening ceremony of the 25th World Scout Jamboree. And of course we are with us do the commentating, so you always know what we are doing.
Of this event, please give a big round of applause.
대통령님 네 분께서 입장하시겠습니다. 여러분 큰 박수로 맞아주시기 바랍니다.
We have the entrance of the President and First Lady. Please give them a big round of applause again. Thank you.
또 격려의 말씀까지 아끼지 않고 계시는 대통령님 내외분들이십니다.
The President is providing warm-hearted words to all.
자, 이제 입장이 완료돼요.
Hong have 469 and Hungary have 213. And Iceland have 142 participants.
인도네시아.
Participants.
슬로베니아.
And Slovenia, they have 320 participants.
남아프리카 공화국.
Look at
They are, oh, they are drawing on their
yeah. When people hear their own country, they just go up and cheer and they're so happy. And Spain, they have 386.
And this is the end of the flag bearer.
2023 새만금 제25회 세계 스카우트 잼버리에 참가한 모든 국가를 위해서 다시 한번 함성과 뜨거운 박수 부탁드립니다.
For all the countries participating in the 25th World Scout Jamboree 2023 Saemangam, we kindly request another round of great cheers and applause.
네, 다음은 스카우트 선서가 있겠습니다. 모두 자리에서 일어나 주시기.
스카우트의 규율을 잘 지키겠습니다.
네, 수고해주신 6명의 스카우트 선도사분들께 큰 박수 부탁드립니다.
Please give a big round of applause to the 6 scouts who led this promise.
이어서 잼버리기 개양.
Hoisting the Jamboree flag.
네, 당당하게 잼버리기가 개양이 됐습니다. 모두 네, 자리에 앉아주시기 바랍니다.
Okay, now we have hoisted the Jamboree flag.
We welcome to what we have dreamed of this Jamboree. From my young scouting years and becoming now your camp chief in this 25th World Scout Jamboree, I never stopped dreaming, not only for myself, but for the young people whom I pledge to be service through scout aiming. So, let me ask you one question. Shall we start the Jamboree? Shall we start the Jamboree? Therefore, as your camp chief, I hereby declare the 25th World Scout Jamboree here in Saemangam, Korea is open!
Gentlemen, let's welcome Chief Ambassador of World Scouting, Per Grylls.
베아그릴스!
Annyeong Scouts, Annyeong. What a sight, and what a night to see all of you guys here in Korea for the opening of the 25th World Scout Jamboree. You are an adventurer, but true adventure lies not just in climbing mountains or crossing rivers. True adventure is in here. True adventure is the courage to dream big. It's the courage to take risks and to overcome difficult obstacles that stand in our way. Just ask the IST. You are going to have obstacles. Come on, team. Come on, the Scouts. Come on. You are the ones. You are the power changers. You are the ones to change the world for the better. Clap for yourselves. You've got it all ahead. Adventure, friendships, life skills. Everything that Scouting gives you, never take it for granted. You are incredible. And you are the stars.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Honorable Mr. Andy Chapman. Please give a big round of applause.
Our differences, we are all united by a common set of Scouting values and a promise to make this planet a better place for everyone.
And launch the airplanes at the same time.
자, 모두 준비되었으면 구호를 저희가 외치겠습니다. 하나, 둘, 셋. Draw your
Dreams!
네, 이 종이 비행기 퍼포먼스를 끝으로
Spit the head to miss me with the dumb shit. These motherfuckers really got some gumption. Coming into function. Flying like they run flying on the I think he we need to rush him. I'm concussion. You was acting petty with the petty. You was taking cuts in the cut.
She like sushi? Huh?
And of course, the circle of life is important, but it's so good when it's performed in big stage.
I feel really like pleasure that the young scouts are smiling at the stage, and I feel like I'm melting now.
Yeah.
That one, that drone making a design, that is a Brown Sea.
Yeah, Brown Sea. Yeah, the first scout camp.
Yeah.
Trial.
It held in 97.
1920, the first jamboree ever.
In where?
UK.
Right, it's
Britain.
UK. Our scout teams in. So this time was the 25th World. From tomorrow, we will start to doing a scouting in a lot of like countries, international. So guys, this is our mascots of the 25th World Scout Jamboree. That cute one, the mascot's called 새, our 3 icon. And this one is our second one.
Your motto, be prepared at all times.